Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be doing a light cleaning in my bedroom and also in my bathroom. It won't be a deep cleaning, just a light cleaning. So if you would like to see this video, you can keep on watching. And also if you like the content that you see today, please hit the thumbs up button. First, I'm going to start off by making up my bed. That's the first thing I like to do before I do anything else when I wake up in the morning. So I'm just going to make it up. I did put some clean sheets on there last night. So the bed really wasn't that messed up. And I did put my bedspread on there. Before I did have a different one. But this bedspread that you see is from Target. It's a really good bedspread. It is a king size, and they do have the matching shams, but they're all sold separately. But I only purchased the bedspread, so you can find this at Target. I'm not going to add any decorative pillows, maybe just one, but mainly I'm just going to use the pillows that I sleep on just to keep it simple. So that's what it is. I have a shag pillow that was in my chair, so I just put that on the bed.
Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house, Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of, young and untamed. I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. Let him stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside.
All right, so I am just about finished in here, and I do need me a new vacuum cleaner. I get so tired of plugging the vacuum cleaner up and unplugging it. So I'm thinking about getting me a cordless vacuum cleaner. I've been saying it and still haven't got it, but that might be my next purchase. That might be my next purchase. So to freshen up my bedroom, I have this air freshener by Myers. Smells really good. I think this is the honeysuckle. Now for the bathroom, I am just filling up the basket with some toilet tissue because I was running low. And this stand that I have the tissue on is from Bill's Outlet. And I'm so glad I purchased this. Like, this is one of my favorite purchases. I do store the toilet tissue on that stand, and also in the bottom basket, I keep like my hair accessories, curling irons, different things like that. I was going to do another bathroom makeover. So everything that you see in here is from the last video that I did. And if you didn't see that, I will post it in the description box. That'll give you the details on everything that you see. But only thing I did do was change out the shower curtains. And I just put these ones up a few days ago. Yeah, I changed out the shower curtains and added this one. And this one is from Family Dollar. I think it was $12. Anytime I'm doing a quick cleanup, I always like to use the Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes, any kind of cleanup wipes. It just makes it so much easier. My favorite thing to use, some of y'all know, is bleach, bleach and hot water. But today it was just something quick, so I like to use the wipes. got the bathroom looking decent and the bedroom straightened up. So now I'm going to move on to the kitchen.
You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. What a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
For my balcony, I did add this charger plate that you see here, and I just sat the flower arrangement on top of it. The flower arrangement is from Family Dollar. I still have to get an area rug to go out here.